Very
Watch how I
mindful.
made this dot homemade
Some
shawama.
yummy shawama. Yay! Even my son confirmed it. He said, "Mommy, it's very good."
Very yummy.
So guys, we are making shawama. Yeah. So here's my great carrot. So I start by preparing my veggies, my vegetables. These are my ingredients that I used. Yeah, start by cutting my onion, my veggies, prep all my veggies, put aside. So this me cutting my cabbage. Yeah, slice everything. At the time the onion entered my eyes, I'm like, so everything is done and ready. Baby girl was crawling on my legs, so I have to back her. She was like crawling all over, dragging me. So I cut all my pepper. I put a little bit pepper because my people, they don't like pepper. So my veggies is done. Then I put it aside. Okay, that one is all set for the shawama. So these are my bread tortilla that I used. So I brought up my chicken breast. I use a lot of chicken breast. I even the one that remained, I even used it as a salad to eat my rice because it was very good. I used it as a salad. So I start cutting my chicken into pieces. I slice them. So guys, I've washed my after that, and I go and wash. I washed off camera. So I add my soy sauce, I mixed everything together. Added my nut cube, add a little bit of Greek yogurt. Add my little pepper and onion, mixed everything together, stir. Add my sauce. That's all my spices together. So I added this little bit of chicken for some minutes sauce or whatever. So mixed everything. I leave this for some minutes to marinate. Then after that, I start to stir fries. I stir fries the chicken breast. You see me doing that. So come back to my veggie to mix them together while the chicken breast is cooking over there. So add all my veggies. This is very, very good. Homemade shawama is very good. I added everything than the one you bought at the market. So guys, made it at home. You see the how good it is. So I mixed all my veggies together while the chicken breast is frying over there. So I added my mayonnaise or mayonnaise. That's Miracle Whip. So I added this on it to mix the salad. I add my taco sauce, my ketchup, a little bit ketchup. So add my salad mix, that's the ranch, black pepper, just So I transferred the chicken on the bigger pan because it was very, very big. So I couldn't I don't want to do batch by batch. So I added everything together. So this is me trying to wrap everything together. So the the chicken was a little bit hot, so I just brought it out and put in the salad. So it was very hot. The vegetables are already cooked, right? So the hotness make it warm a little bit. So more veggies on it. And wrap, so I cover with foil. I have to put in the oven so that the bread will be hot, for some minutes. Add some more veggies and wrap together. I couldn't believe it. My son ate this thing. I'm like, he doesn't eat it. I don't like eating these veggies. He didn't eat it. I'm like, wow. He said it was very yummy. So I made like about 4 or 5 slices, right? 5 wrap. So it's done. Let's taste our creation. Our creation. It was very good. You see me yumming the thing.
No, it's a taco.
Yummy. So everybody ate and it was very good. You know, they all
Let me just eat.
like
Let me
it.
just eat it.
Yeah. Let me know
Yes,
if you
very
try
yummy.
it. The homemade shawarma is very good. You can see him saying it's very yummy.
Like